how to fund your portal pag may booking na kayo. First, go to manage funds, then add funds, then ayan. Sa mga bank details or kung saan kayo magpapadala ng pera para magkalaman yung portal ninyo. Bank details in the name of Aaron Chase David. Then, ito yung GCash number. Then, yung Union bank number. Then, ayan. Like, for example, may nagpadala kayo sa GCash. Select deposit type, cash in. Then, amount. Sample lang natin to. 7,865. 7,865. In the bank name of GCash. Then bank branch, kung nasan kayo or ano yung registered address ninyo. Like kami dito sa Pampanga. Then yung payment reference ninyo. Makikita ninyo yung payment reference, eto po siya. Yung 6-digit na lang natin na reference number. 246 911 911 631 631. Then, proof of payment, choose file lang natin. I-upload natin itong na-screenshots natin na transaction. Basta always screenshots your successful transaction para may proof po tayo na nagpadala po tayo ng pera. Then, choose file po natin siya. Then, ayun. Then, remarks must include your company name. Like yung company name natin is Demo and Tours. Yan. Click submit. Yan. Wait lang natin yung amount na mag-reflect within 3 to 5 minutes. Within 3 to 5 minutes yan. Request received successful. So, wait lang natin siya. 3 to 5 minutes. Magre-reflect siya dito sa may available funds natin. Then yan, wait natin itong 7,865. Ayan. Then, wala pa siya. Try to reload. Click home. Ayun. Pumasok na yung balance natin. So, ready to book na tayo.